I take an example as hydrogen, right? So if you take hydrogen, the atomic number is 1, right? So in ninth class we written like this. This is the particular nucleus and this is the first shell. In that we have one electron. For that we written as 1k. But in this we taken just before order of increasing for orbitals energy, right? 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, like that we take order. In first shell we have 1s orbital. How many electrons are there? Only one electron is there. So right, 1. So whatever the electrons we written here, so this value we call as superscription. What we call? Superscription. So superscription value indicates the number of electrons in the orbital, right? So the total number here is always equals to Z. Then your configuration is right. If you did any mistake, either the number is more here or more as a superscription number, then that is incorrect. Then if you take next one as helium, the atomic number is 2. According to the particular ninth class knowledge, we have 2 electrons in the first shell. Means we can able to write 2k. Then first shell only know how many orbitals are there? Only 1s orbital is there. How many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. So we have to write as 1s2 like this. Then if you take one more example, that is lithium, the atomic number is 3. In ninth class we written like this. In first shell 2 electrons, in second shell 1 electrons. We write it as 2k 1l. 2 electrons in k shell, 1 electron in l shell. Then here first shell is 1s, existed with 2 electrons. Whereas come to second shell, it is existed with 2 orbitals. One is 2s, another one is 2p. Right? Here how many electrons are there? Only single electron is there. That can able to fill in 2s. Right? Can able to write here 2 and here one more number? No, because 2 plus 1 is 3. The atomic number is what? 3. So always we have to write like this. The number of atomic number and the total number of electrons in the superscription value is always equal. Here no values are there to write into the orbital. Right? So like this we can able to write the electronic configuration. Right? We have to take one more example. Okay? We will take one more example, that is beryllium. So we have symbol as Be. Atomic number Z is equal to 4. Right? Then from the ninth class we written in first shell 2 electrons, in second shell 2 electrons. For that 2k and 2l. Then here we have to write 1s. First shell is existed with 1s or not? How many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. Then in second shell we have to write first 2s. The capacity of s orbital is 2. Right? So 2 plus 2, 4. What is the atomic number? 4. Then this is the configuration. Then if you take one more, that is boron. Symbol is B. Atomic number is 5. We written like this. In first shell is in 2 electrons. In second shell that existed with 3 electrons. We written as 2k and 3l. Here we have to write 2k means 1s. How many electrons? 2 electrons. 2 electrons are there or not? Then remaining 3 electrons is present in the second shell. So we have to write 2s. The capacity of s orbital only 2. So we have to write as 2. Still one more is balance. That can able to fill in 2p is 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So the atomic number is 5. Right? If you take next concept or next, that is carbon atom, symbol is C, atomic number is 6. We written like this. First shell with 2 electrons and second shell with 4 electrons. We written as 2k and 4l. 2k means directly 1s2. Then 4l, first 2s that is existed with 2 and still 2 more electrons are balanced because 2 plus 2, 4. But total number of electrons are 6, means 2 more electrons are balanced. That we have to write. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. So, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 is the configuration for carbon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 is configuration for boron. 1s2, 2s2 is configuration for beryllium. So based on 9th class knowledge, we are easily to write the configuration in 10th class. Have you got a clarity? Understood? To discuss one more element configuration or one more element atom of element configuration, that is sodium. So the symbol is Na, the atomic number is 11. Then in that, in 9th class, we written like this. In first shell 2 electrons, in second shell 8 electrons. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then one more electron in third shell. So written as 2k, 8l and 1l. Here we have to write 2k means 1s2. Then 8l means first 2s is present followed by 2p. So the 2s electrons, 2s orbital capacity is 2 electrons and 2p is 6 electrons, means px is there, py is there, pz is there. In each orbital we can able to write 3 2s are 6, so 2p is 6. And we have here one more shell, that is m. M means we have to write 3s. How many electrons are there? 1 electron is there. So the sodium configuration or sodium electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Right? So like this we have to write. And one more example. This is quite different because I taken here 11. Then I am going to take aluminium. I skip the magnesium, so don't be feel. Right? Symbol is Al. Atomic number is 13. So I am not writing this particular thing. Simply I am able to write it based on this particular configuration. For aluminium, we can able to write 2K, HL, right, and 3M. So from that, we can able to write the configuration as 2K means 1s2, HL means 2s2, 2p6 as it is, right? Whenever you got 8l, that we have to write 2s2, 2p6. Then 3m means we have to write 3s2. Right? Still one electron is balanced. After 3s, 3p is joined. So the aluminium electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Have you got a clarity? Understood?